In the world of high-speed getaways and real-life drama, few things match the raw adrenaline of a police chase. Captured on dash cams across the country, these aren't scenes from a movie. They're 100% real. Buckle up, because today we're counting down the top 5 wildest police chases caught on Dashcam in 2025. From near misses to jaw-dropping maneuvers, you won't believe how these ended.
Not everyone gets the chance to sit in a police car speeding over 100 miles per hour on the streets. However, the Motor Authority team had that experience, a ride they will never forget. The Dodge Charger pursuit roared ahead, quickly surpassing 90 miles per hour. The Motor Authority reporter struggled against the G-forces, sweat pouring down, but their eyes remained glued to the dashboard.
We can disable the traction control in these, but we can't disable the stability track. Sometimes it kind of gets in your way.
Now we're gonna lead.
Yes!
Is there a difference in your responsibility as the lead?
There is. We're the lead car. Basically what we're doing at this point, we're just keeping the back eye on view, and then anything that we see going on inside the car, we're gonna let everybody else know about that. Like if they're throwing out, what we think might be drugs or guns or anything like that. If we see how many people we see in there, anything like that. Second guy, the second unit, their job at this point is just to call out location, let everybody else know where we're at.
Okay, cool.
So whenever you're the lead unit or primary unit, it just makes your job a little bit easier. You don't have to worry about grabbing the microphone and talking and trying to drive at the same time as much, which is helpful. Oh, now we're gonna get busy. That was the stability track one.
The ride was not just about speed. Fort Worth police boxed in the suspect's vehicle, maintaining control through sharp turns and slippery roads, all happening in real time. No reenactments, no retakes.
The more out of balance these things get, the more stability track steps in. So the trick is to try to keep them as balanced as possible. I think it's kind of hard to do whenever you're chasing somebody.
The simulation ended safely, but the pressure and skills of the officers lingered. Not every chase involves a suspect. Sometimes, just sitting in the passenger seat, you realize this is no joke.
Stringer!
All right.
On March 25, 2022, the police received information about an SUV Suburban being pursued for drug trafficking. Upon noticing the flashing lights, the suspect turned around and drove into oncoming traffic, forcing Indian River Police to get involved.
Back west out 21st Street, getting squirrely. Okay, stand by, watch out.
He suddenly turned around, forcing the police to deploy additional units, a helicopter, and stop sticks. When the vehicle lost control, the police executed a PT maneuver, spinning the car sideways, but the suspect continued to flee.
So far, I got sticks right here, 2nd Avenue Hospital. I got sticks to the bridge. Come over the bridge. I got sticks away.
Good, stay good. Hit one pair of sticks, so he's gonna hit another. Alright, we are back east on Oslo Road. We've got unit by 66, get some more sticks out there. Speeds are 88, traffic is moderate, and hold off on a bit due to speed.
Observation mode only out on Oslo and seizing all the sticks we can.
10-4 in observation mode. Speeds are 90, I'm decreasing. He's pulling away from me slightly. Pretty confident he hit the sticks at 82nd in Oslo. He's got a little traffic, he's having to slow down. Stand by and try to jump again, we're going on 74th.
413, block traffic.
Okay.
Full traffic, south on 74th Ave. From all the way.
You got the radio? Yeah, traffic couldn't do a hit. You cannot take another turn here again. I think his car's a little quicker than mine on these turns.
I got the radio southbound passing the dump, 74th Ave. Speeds are 80. No traffic.
10-4 re-engaged, no traffic. 1190.
That's 10-4. Someone get on 17th Street with sticks in case he goes back eastbound.
Coming up to the Range Road, southbound. Coming up to the range, dead end. We're gonna have a signal for, he's gonna crash through the gate.
The police quietly followed, but when he sped into the residential area at 90 miles per hour, they acted immediately. A precise Piet maneuver flipped the car sideways, sending up a thick cloud of dust.
Keep them up, motherfucker! Keep your hands up! Keep your hands up! Keep cover! Keep cover! Come out to me! Come out to me! Get your firearm away. I got loose. Come out to me! Come out to me! Turn around! Turn around! Come out to me!
The police and K-9 unit subdued the suspect on the spot. He faced serious charges. The chase, which spanned multiple counties, ended in a tense conclusion, resulting in a lengthy prison sentence. Everything erupted in the crowded street. Two suspects floored the gas, weaving madly through narrow corners, ignoring heavy traffic and the wailing sirens behind them. When the streets ended, the suspects recklessly swerved onto a dirt road near a small bridge. But everything spiraled out of control. The car wobbled, lost grip, and they jumped out, fleeing on foot. two suspects charged across the concrete bridge, leapt over a dry creek, and climbed up the hill. But when exhaustion set in, with the police closing in, there was nowhere left to run. Both were caught, and the stolen motorcycle was recovered. A police officer quickly gave chase to a black Toyota RAV4 speeding recklessly on the highway, triggering an intense pursuit.
Trying to hit him, but he's blocking me on this two-lane road. I had opportunity. I haven't made contact with him yet. I'm just trying to get position.
If I get David in that way, if they get spiked in time, I'll let you know.
Take 10, we're not far behind you.
The suspect sped into oncoming traffic at high speed, forcing the police to perform a TVI maneuver that sent the vehicle into a ditch. He was captured along with the stolen goods, now facing charges of theft and evasion. A simple traffic stop. A 17-year-old running a stop sign. The officer pulled him over, checked his papers, and had a conversation. Everything seemed normal. But just minutes later, the unthinkable happened. A strange vehicle suddenly stopped without any signal. The driver, an adult man, stepped out, holding an axe. Without hesitation, he charged straight at the officer.
Who are you? Thanks, I just been attacked. I just shots fired, shots fired.
The officer drew his gun, stepped back, and fired. The attacker collapsed to the ground, motionless. The young man who had been pulled over sat frozen in his car, completely shocked. The motive of the attacker remains a mystery.
Don't fire! Oh my God! Holy shit! Stay in your car, man! Don't move!